doing a musical craft and we're going to make our very own music box. So first off, you're going to need a cardboard box to recycle. I've taped mine closed top and bottom, and we've actually already started decorating ours yesterday. I pre-mixed some liquid tempera into this lovely blue, and we sat outside in the sun and we painted the box. This is colored paper that I cut into big shapes and squares. I've got a whole bag of these, and we just stuck them on with craft glue. And then later on, we'll do the other side. I'm going to take some stickers and then my son can just stick them on. I used a permanent marker to make a letter D on the sides because his name starts with a D. Then you need a paper straw or normal straw if you don't have paper straws, a bell, any bell that you can recycle, pipe cleaner cut in half, some spoons. These are not a permanent fixture in your box, so you'll get them back, so don't worry. Don't go and buy some spoons, just get some from the kitchen, it's fine. An empty cutter, then obviously paint to decorate your box with. Like I said, I use liquid tempera. You can use craft paint, water paint, whatever paint you have around the house, and then your paintbrush and water and a glue gun. So we're going to start quickly by making our bell on a stick, I guess, that we're going to use. So you take half your pipe cleaner, and then on the bottom of your bell, just thread that through. So obviously when I tried this earlier, it went through on the first try, and Murphy's Law, it won't go through on the video, first try. Right, fold it double, so it looks something like that. And then you take your paper straw and your glue gun, and you try and get as much as possible glue into the opening of your straw. And then your pipe cleaner goes in there into the hot glue. Please be careful, and obviously mommy will have to do this beforehand. Like I said previously, glue guns and toddlers don't mix. So let's get that stuck in there. Okay. So you will have a bell on a stick like this. I'm going to let that firm up a bit. And now, take your empty cutter, and then on the top of your box, we're going to make slits for our spoon. I've done 3. So I've got 6 spoons, and my box is fairly big. You can use a small box. So I'm going to make 3 more on this side. Alright, so all I'm going to do is make slits. Then I just wiggle it a bit to open up the slit for my spoon. 1, 2, oops, 3. Then on the side here, I want to make a hole for my bell to go through. Close this, lock it, put it away. Okay, so your bell, ta-da, can rest in there, and then you slot in your spoons. Just wiggle them around a bit so they go in easily. You don't need to use 6 spoons, you can do 4 or 5, how many ever you've got space for on your box. Now, to present this craft to your toddler, talk about musical instruments for a bit. Ask them if they know what drums are, and then you play drums for a bit, and ask them if they know what a piano is, and you play piano, and ask them if they know what a guitar is, and you play air guitar, and practice some low notes and high notes. A lovely game also to play is Simon Says. You can play it just with your musical instruments or your box, and then you say Simon Says go, and then everyone goes crazy, and you play your instrument. And if you've got more than one kid, give them different instruments to play, and everyone goes crazy and you make a noise and then you say stop and everyone needs to like freeze mid-air and then hold it for a couple of seconds. That is a lovely game, and it keeps the little ones entertained for a while. And then when your music box is done, give it to your toddler and see if they can kind of figure out what to do with it. They love to take out the spoons, chuck them out and put them back. Then eventually they will get that your bell is to make music with. So I'm sorry, they might drive you crazy with this for a while, but if it keeps them busy, then it's a small price to pay. I'm going to add some photos at the end of this video from decorating the box. And as always, send me your pictures and your comments. I would love to hear them. Drop me an email if you've got any questions or queries. And thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye-bye.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I